What's up, you guys, and welcome to my backyard. Today I'm showing you how to make my smoked turkey rub. Todd fired up his drum cooker. He was so excited to cook this smoked turkey breast, and I realized we don't even have a video for my smoked turkey rub. So he threw up the cameras, threw up some lights, and I'm gonna walk you through how simple it is to make a smoked turkey rub at home. Let's do it.
Hey, Ben, what you doing back there?
He's so excited to help me season the turkey. I told him he could help me season. But first we have to put this rub together. And it's very simple. Looks like quite a bit of ingredients, but all of them meld together beautifully. So this rub is kind of a combination of a traditional barbecue seasoning in that we have the brown sugar, the paprika, the onion powder, the garlic powder, but I'm giving a bit of a traditional holiday twist and bringing in some herbs like rosemary and thyme and sage to really complement and bring out that like traditional turkey flavor. So it's a perfect little mashup seasoning. We're gonna start with 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I like to use dark brown sugar. I think it gives it a nice like rich nutty flavor. For our brown sugar, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of coarse kosher salt. And a quick note on this salt, if you are using a turkey that has been brined, meaning you've soaked it in a salt solution, I would cut the salt in the rub in half. So just do 1 tablespoon of salt if your turkey has been pre-brined, because you don't want to over salt the turkey. 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. A tablespoon of coarse black pepper. If you like to use freshly cracked black pepper, I encourage it. That'll give you a nice, robust pepper flavor. Otherwise, just a nice coarse grained black pepper works great. A tablespoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. Next, we're gonna bring in our herbal elements. We're gonna switch to our teaspoon. We're gonna put in a teaspoon of dried crushed rosemary. Now, I like the crushed rosemary versus the long needles of rosemary because those can get a little bit woody. This finer, smaller crushed rosemary works great in a rub application. And then a teaspoon of dried thyme leaves. And again, I like the leaves here versus like the crushed or the rubbed in the thyme, because I want you to be able to see the herbs in there a little bit. I told you this has several ingredients, it's fine. Half a teaspoon of rubbed sage. So sage that's been dried and pretty much pulverized. And a teaspoon of celery salt. I prefer celery salt to celery seeds because the seeds can actually be like hard to chew and gritty, and the celery salt, they're nice and ground down. And finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper because I love a little bit of heat. If you want no heat, you can skip the cayenne. I feel like I'm being stalked. All right, just mix this up with a fork. Now, this quantity of turkey rub should be more than enough to do like 2 10-pound turkeys, several turkey breasts like this one, or if you have like a monster mammoth turkey, it'll cover the whole thing. It makes a very generous amount of rub. So if you don't end up using all of your turkey rub, put it in an airtight container, seal it, and I would recommend trying to use within a month. The brown sugar does like to clump, so just make sure you give it a squish with your hands before you go to use it if it's been sitting for a little while.
Give it a squish.
Give it a squeeze, give it a shake, bang it on the counter, whatever you gotta do. We're gonna season this on this bone-in turkey breast. We're gonna smoke this on the drum cooker, 275. We're using maple wood today. But before I put the seasoning on the turkey, I'm gonna drizzle and rub with a little bit of olive oil. It's gonna help the rub adhere to the outside. Are you about ready to come help now? Okay, come on. Okay, I guess. Do you need a chair? I feel like you need a stool to reach me.
That looks yummy.
It looks yummy. Give it a smell.
Smells good.
Do you think that'll be good on a turkey? I think so too. Actually, I know it's gonna be good on a turkey because I've made it before. Okay, I'm gonna drizzle it with olive oil and rub it down on both sides. And then you're gonna do with your fingers, hold it up here and sprinkle. Get that olive oil on both sides. This is a bone-in turkey breast that I've just spatchcocked, so I cut the rest of the backbone out of it and then snipped the sternum right here, flipped it over and pressed it so it's nice and flat. This will give me a little bit more smoke flavor while it's on the cooker, and it will cook quite a bit faster. Okay, yep, so pick up probably like a tablespoon of it. Yeah, hold it up here and then sprinkle it evenly all the way across. There you go, bud. Okay, get some more. Come back and do it again. We want it nice and covered, okay? Oh, do you know what? Let's do this side first. Because then when you sprinkle on the top of the skin, it'll be nice and even and it won't be splotchy. Yeah, you're getting a lesson in turkey anatomy today.
And that's where the heart goes,
No, that's
right?
the sternum. It's like the bone that connects the ribs in the front. Just gonna season that part real good. Do you want me to help you or do you want to do it all?
I do it.
Okay. Get after it, bud.
I can use this hand.
Yeah, you can season with your left hand. You can see the thyme, little pieces of rosemary. Now, I don't actually like to rub my seasoning on with turkey. Do you know why? Because when you try to rub it, look what happens when I rub it. It clumps up. Okay, so we just want to sprinkle it on. Hold it up a little bit higher and sprinkle it so it goes on nice and even, because if you try and rub this, it's gonna clump up on you. We don't want it clumpy. All right, so we're gonna pop our turkey breast onto the smoker. We're gonna let that smoke in the maple wood at 275. I think this is probably gonna take about 2.5 hours, and then you guys can join us for a taste test. Are you gonna try it? Hey, come back up here. Are you gonna try this when it's cooked? Don't eat it raw. Okay, we'll see you back here in a little bit.
Are you just gonna drop it on there? Is that a temperature? Or
It's a temperature probe.
how does it?
Oh, that looks so good. See, Ben, this is the type of smoke you want. It's not too thick and white and it doesn't smell yucky. Look, when it goes up, it almost looks blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, thin blue smoke, that's what you want. All right, our turkey's been smoking for about 2.5 hours. We got the alarm signal from our thermometer probe that it was just about done. So we came out and checked the temps and it's ready to come off. Come look at the color on this one. Oh, and we found another bonus like mammoth turkey breast, but this is the one we put on earlier. Looks like it's gonna be super good. I can already tell you that I am thrilled with the color this turkey got, both from the smoker and from the rub that we put on there. The brown sugar has started to caramelize. You can see those pieces of rosemary and thyme. It's gonna kill me to let this rest for the next 10 to 15 minutes, but then we get to slice into it and give it a taste. And I might need to go grab my cute little taste tester to help me out.
Me?
No, Benny. He helped me season it, remember?
Oh,
I mean, you
right.
can taste it too, I guess. All right, you guys, turkey is rested. It's time for a taste test. And I brought in a friend to help us taste test. Remember my little buddy that seasoned with us? Come on up, Ben. All right, let's do this end piece right here. It's gonna be nice and juicy. Oh, you found the meat claws? Should be pretty smoky. Okay, grab a bite. Oh yeah, I'm yours. You like that? You can taste the brown sugar. It gives you that classic barbecue turkey experience, but with the thyme and the rosemary and the herbs in there, tastes like traditional traditional Thanksgiving turkey also.
I don't whip it up.
You want to shred it? Well, we're gonna slice this one.
No.
Oh, that's juicy. Oh, careful. This table's on wheels.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna sit here and eat this turkey, carve up the rest of it, take it inside for the family for dinner. I hope you guys give this turkey rub recipe a try. It becomes a hit for your family at your family dinner table. And if you do use it, snap a photo, post it on social media, and use the hashtag #HeyGrillHey. That way we can see it and cheer you on your journey to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.